Welcome. In front of me is a BLACKVIEW A70, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, you will want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using the home screen as an example for this. And once your content is open and visible, hold power key and volume down at the same time. You will get this flash along with a little pop-up right here to show you that you have captured your screenshot with two options, share or edit. And after like 2 seconds, it disappears. Now that image can be found in our gallery or photos application, as it's called right here. So when you open it up, you can see we have a screenshot right here. You can tap on it to view it, and well, that's the screenshot. So that is how you can capture it. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.